Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to organize files in Canvas, a simple but important step in keeping your course materials easy to find and manage. From your Canvas course navigation menu, click on Files. This section stores all the documents, images, and media uploaded to your course, either by you or through course activities. To keep your files organized, create topical folders. Click the Add Folder button near the top right corner of the screen. Give each folder a clear, descriptive name, for example, lecture slides, assignments, readings, or images. You can also create subfolders for even more structure, such as organizing by week or module. To move a file, simply drag and drop it into the appropriate folder. You can also click the three-dot menu next to the file name and select Move To choose a destination folder. Files uploaded through other areas of Canvas, like pages or assignments, are automatically stored in the Uploaded Media folder. It's a good idea to check this folder and move files into the correct location for better organization. To manage visibility, click the three-dot menu next to each file or folder and select Edit Permissions. Publish means the file is published and visible to all students. Unpublish means the file is unpublished and hidden. Only available with link means the file or folder is only visible with a provided link. Schedule availability allows you to set a time range where the file or folder is visible. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to organize files in Canvas. Keeping your files organized makes it easier for both you and your students to navigate your course efficiently. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.